Good evening, sir. Myself Naveen. I am from CSMB section. Today's my topic is passing arguments by value and by reference. The subject name is Object Oriented Programming through Java. Let we discuss about passing arguments by value and by reference. To introduction to argument passing, passing argument is a fundamental concept. Is concept of programming language. It determines how data is transformed to functions or methods. Understanding the difference between value and reference passing is crucial for efficient coding. To see the program, the next slide goes to what is passing by value. Passing by value means that a copy of the variable's value is made. Changes made to the parameter within the function do not affect the original variable. This method is commonly used in languages like C and Java from primitive data types. To see the program, public static void main string args, I add 100 and 201 and 211, and the second add 525, 52 and 52. The third is add 41, 525, 22. Public static void main string name. The next is the system.out printing the int a and int b and int c. The three is a add in what is passing value a plus b plus c. The original output is the 3, 5, 12 and 6, 29 and 588. The next slide goes to characteristics of passing by value. Characteristics is the original variable remains unchanged after the function execution. I can lead to higher memory usage as copies of data are created. This method is generally safer preventing unit side effects. See the class net and in default. What is passing by reference? What is passing means passing by a reference involves passing reference or address of the original variable. Changes made to the parameter within the function directly affect the original variable. This method is often used in languages like C++, Java, and Python for mutable objects. The next slide goes to characteristics of passing by reference. It allows functions to modify the original variable's value directly. This method is generally more memory efficient since no copies are made. It can lead to unit side effects, making debugging more complex. To see the before my list orange apple grapes, my temp list points to the same memory location. Diff add item my temp list. My temp list append mango print my temp list. Added my list print my list. The after the execution orange apple grapes mango. The next slide use cases for passing by value. Passing by value is ideal for small immutable data types. It is commonly used when data integrity is a priority. This approach is often preferred in multi-thread environments to avoid share state issues. The use cases for passing by reference. Passing by reference is useful for large data structures like arrays and objects. It is beneficial when performance and memory efficiency are crucial. This approach is often used in scenarios where the function needs to modify the input. To see the diagram, arrays, stacks, queues, single linked list, double linked list, B tree, red, black tree, display tree, and AVL tree. The next slide goes to languages and their defaults. The programming language that uses different programming languages of different faults of arguments passing. For example, C uses pass by value for all types, while C++ allows both. Understanding a language's default behavior is essential for effective programming. The uses of programming languages is Python, C++, Java, C as JavaScript. The next slide goes to pros and cons. Passing by value provides safety but can be less efficient with large data. Passing by reference offers efficiency but risk united side effects. The choice between the two should consider the specific needs to the application. The last one is conclusion. Conclusion, choosing by between passing by pass by value and pass by reference is context dependent. Understanding both methods allows for more effective function design. Careful consideration of the implications can lead to better programming practices. Feel free to modify any part of the presentation to suit your needs. A pass by value, pass by reference, the cup, fill cup, and fill cup. Okay, thank you, sir.